Good morning, class 10. Today we will discuss class 10 physics lecture 3 source of energy. The first topic is nuclear energy. Dear student, a physical reaction which involves changes in the nucleus of an atom is called nuclear reaction. The energy released during the nuclear reaction is called nuclear energy. Dear students, there are two types of nuclear energy. First is nuclear fission and second is nuclear fusion. Dear students, the sources of nuclear energy is the mass of nucleus, or a small amount of mass of nucleus is destroyed during a nuclear reaction, which get converted into tremendous amount of energy. Tremendous means huge, large amount of energy. The nuclear energy is released mainly in the form of heat or sunlight. The nuclear energy, also known as atomic energy, because it can be considered to be coming from the atom. Dear student, the second topic is nuclear fission. And what is fission? Dear student, the word fission means split up. Split up means break down into two or more parts. The process in which the heavy nucleus of the radioactive elements are those type of elements which have emits alpha, beta, gamma rays, such as uranium 92 235, plutonium and or thorium. Splits up into a smaller nuclei when bombarded with low energy neutron. Low energy neutron is N01. Dear students, is called nuclear fission. A tremendous amount of energy is produced in the nuclear fission process. The sum of the masses of a smaller nuclei from in fission reaction is a little less than the other mass of the original heavy nucleus. Dear student, so there is a small loss of mass of the nuclear fission process which appears as a tremendous amount of energy. Dear students, when uranium-235 atoms are bombarded with slow moving neutrons, the heavy uranium nucleus break up to produce two medium weight atoms, barium-139 and krypton-94, with the emission of 3 neutrons. A tremendous amount of energy is produced during the fission of uranium. This fission reaction can be represented in the form of nuclear equation. Dear student, when uranium 92-235 is bombarded with slow demotion of neutron, then it fusion and this nucleus is split into barium and krypton, and 3 electrons also produced and mega electron volt of energy is produced. Because that means tremendous amount of energy is produced. Dear student, there are two types of uranium. First of all, U92-235 and U92-238. But it presents a little amount, approximately 3.5% only on the earth surface. But rest amount is U92-238 uranium. But this is isotope. But this is not useful for nuclear fission or fusion. So it is not used, and it is used because it is radioactive element and it release when it react with slow motion of neutron, it fuse and gets to a smaller nucleus like barium and krypton, and 3 neutrons also release and mega electron volts, that means tremendous or huge amount of heat energy is produced after this reaction. So dear students, this reaction very important. So you learn this reaction for examination. Now, the energy produced during the nuclear fission reaction is used for generating electricity at nuclear power plant. Dear students, this energy can be write in this form also. When uranium 295 is bombarded with slow motion of neutron, it breaks into three nucleus also, and each case it produces 3 neutrons and tremendous amount of energy. After this, it also breaks into 3 nucleus and 3 neutron also produce. Even tremendous amount of energy is produced in each state. This is called series reaction. If this reaction is not controlled, it can blast. So we use boron or cadmium to observe extra neutrons in each state. When neutron is absorbed, then it called controlled nuclear fission. But if they are not controlled, then it can blast and destroy everything. So dear student, boron has a property that it can absorb neutrons. So when a nuclear fission reaction is carried out in the presence of boron rods, the excess neutrons produced during the successive fissions of uranium. Dear students, boron absorbs neutrons. Due to this, a controlled fission reaction of uranium-235 takes place, liberating heat energy at a slow, steady and manageable rate, which can be generating electricity at the nuclear power plant. Dear students, next topic is nuclear power plant. What is nuclear power plant? A nuclear power plant in which the heat required to make steam and turn turbine to drive generators for making electricity to obtain by nuclear reaction is called nuclear power plant. Dear students, there are many nuclear power plants in India. The first is Tarapur, Maharashtra. Rana Pratap Sagar near Kota, Rajasthan. Kalpakkam in Tamil Nadu, Naroda in Uttar Pradesh, and Kaparpur in Gujarat, and Kajia in Karnataka. Dear students, at present only about 3% of the total electrical power produced in India to obtain from nuclear power plant. Dear students, but industrialized countries like France, Germany and Japan, more than 30% of their total electric power comes from nuclear power plant. It is very good work for these countries. In India, we also try to produce electrical energy with the help of nuclear energy. Then we save our fossil fuels or fossil energies like petroleum, forest. This is coal, forest, not forest, coal, natural gas, etc. Nuclear bomb or atom bomb. we already heard nuclear bomb. In every time, new channel reports nuclear bomb, nuclear bomb, nuclear bomb, atom bomb, atom bomb. But what is atom bomb? The highly destructive nuclear bomb or atom bomb is based on the nuclear fission reaction of uranium-235 or plutonium-239. Dear students, we already studied U-92-235 is only radioactive element and it present in earth crust various little amount 3.5%. Maximum uranium-92-235 present in Australia. Dear students, a great scientist, Einstein, who delivered Einstein's mass energy relation E equal to mc square. E equal to mc square. Made up this figure, clean the board. E equal to mc square, where m is mass and c is speed of light. Dear student, this is the formula delivered by Einstein, Albert Einstein. In this formula, since the speed of light is very very large, so extremely large amount of heat is produced, even if a small mass gets destroyed. The destruction of mass happens in nuclear reaction like nuclear fission or fusion, which is liberation of tremendous amount of energy. Dear friend, energy unit for expressing nuclear energy is electron volt. Electron volt. But we also use MeV, mega electron volt, for tremendous amount of heat energy. Now, dear student, the next topic is nuclear fusion. The word fusion means to join or combine, the process in which two nuclei of like element, like means small, like hydrogen combined to form a heavy nucleus like deuterium, helium is called nuclear fusion. Dear students, hydrogen, when I have two hydrogen, this is like nucleus, combine and make helium and mega electron volt energy, that means tremendous amount of heat energy produced, and also neutron is produced. Dear student, so the condition needed for carrying out nuclear fusion process of millions of degree of temperature and millions of pascals of pressure. Pascal, unit of pressure is Pascal also. Dear student, when deuterium atoms, heavy hydrogen atom of the mass number 2, deuterium, this is called deuterium, it is also denoted as D, deuterium, when are heated to extremely high temperature under the extremely high pressure, then two deuterium nucleus combine together to form heavy nucleus of helium, and neutron is emitted. A tremendous amount of heat is liberating on the fusion reaction. A fusion process is just the opposite of fission. Dear students, now the next topic is hydrogen bomb. Next topic is hydrogen bomb. dear student, the hydrogen bomb consists of heavy isotopes, number of protons is same. Heavy isotopes of hydrogen called deuterium H12 and tritium H13 along with element lithium Li36. The detonation or explosion of hydrogen bomb is done by using the atom bomb based on the fission of uranium-235 or plutonium-239. It is based on the thermonuclear fusion reaction of heavy hydrogen atom like deuterium and tritium to produce helium nucleus or atom. Now dear student, what is the advantages of nuclear energy? There are following advantages of nuclear energy. First, it produces a large amount of useful energy from a very small atom of nuclear fuel like uranium-235. Once the nuclear fuel like uranium-235 is loaded into the reactor, the nuclear power plant can go on producing electricity for 2 or 3 years at a stretch. There is no need for putting in nuclear fuel again and again. Dear student, it does not produce acidic rain. And what is the disadvantages of nuclear energy? The waste product of nuclear fission reacts or radioactive which keep on emitting harmful nuclear reaction for thousands of years. So it is very difficult to store or dispose of nuclear wastage safely. Improper nuclear wastage stored or disposal can be polluted by environment. There is a risk of accidents in nuclear reactors. Such accidents lead to leakage of radioactive material which can be cause damage in the plants, animals, including human beings, and the environment. Now dear student, today this chapter also completed. So we solve all the questions of source of energy. Dear friends, please watch all the videos and write the note on your notebook and do question answer of this chapter. Thank you for watching. In next video we will discuss next topic, reflection of light. Thank you.